Hi, today I'm going to make these envelopes with quilling work. Very pretty and very easy to make. Materials I'm using are an envelope, a paper doily, small in size, some pearls, white color. This is a tool to give a corrugated look to the strips, a quilling tool, quilling strips, glue for the strips, and this is where you put the size of the quilling strips to make sure what size you want. So I'm going to quill the golden colored strip first. Take it out. I'll use this circle, so just keep it carefully and just hold it so that it doesn't go out. You notice, so slowly become as big as the circle. So now I'll just apply glue. And stick it. Then just press it. So you get this shape. I'll take the second strip, slightly peach in color, and put it in this tool. Just insert it between two gears and so you get this kind of a strip. Now I'll just take this petal that I've made, apply glue here, take it around and again stick it. Like so. So I'm going to put the whole strip around it like this. So this is how it will look. I have made 4 others, and similarly I have made these leaves which are pressed on both sides, and these are other petals in red color. Simple design. So now just take this envelope, this doily, I'm just going to put it on one side like so. So just take some glue, and cut out this extra bit. Like so. So now first I'll just arrange these petals on the doily. and stick them in the same manner. So after sticking all the petals and leaves like this, I'm just going to stick these pearls beads on it. So just apply some glue in the center of the flowers. Take the big bead, which I'll put in the big flower, and the smaller ones in the smaller flowers. And this is how it's going to look. We have made another one, same way but different colors, like so.